Before we go ahead and transfer that, we need to use our scale. So I use this very basic, it's I think it costs less than $20 at Walmart or Target, and that's where I buy a lot of my stuff. And hopefully you guys can see the grams here while I do this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Okay, and you'll see that it's at 0, right? So I'm gonna put this container on it. If you can tell now, it says 99 grams. I wanna zero that out. So when I measure everything, it does not count this also, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put the food inside. Okay, so now we put all the food inside, and it is at 2,904 grams total. So this is the total recipe. That's how many grams are in here, okay? From that point, once you decide how many servings you want to get out of here, you want to go ahead and you're going to take your calculator, and I think there's still food on it, but that's fine. So 2903 it says. So 2903. And we're going to divide that by 5 because Jose needs to have higher calories in each meal. So that's about 580 grams, okay? The way we're going to do that now is you're going to take this off, okay? And make sure that wood, okay. So now you're going to take one of your containers. One of the things I suggest is buy the same container for everything, so in case you lose a lid, it always matches, right? So put that container on there. Let's go ahead and equal that out. Okay, and then we're gonna add until we get 580 grams. It's almost perfect. See, now we went over, but it doesn't have to be so to the T, but there you go. So that is one of the servings, right? So I'm going to continue making 4 more of these, and then you'll have your recipe exactly how we separated it for 5 servings, okay? So remember, when you take this off, it's there is going to be measuring the same container. So if you're using different containers, make sure you put it on and zero it out, okay? All right, guys, I hope you enjoy your chili. Again, you can add any salt and pepper. Jose doesn't really like too much salt in his food, but if you guys like salt, I like salt, put salt on. Obviously, if you have a salt, you're not supposed to be eating too much salt, don't do that, okay? All right, guys, have a great day, and hope you learned something new. Bye.